Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about the Castleberry Electric Attitude Indicator. You can see what they sell for new from $3,000 to $4,000 from Aircraft Spruce. It's an electric attitude indicator to 14 volts, and you can get the additional lighting option. So stay tuned while we talk a bit more about this Castleberry Attitude Indicator.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, an attitude indicator tells you what position your aircraft in, up or down, left or right, banking, and they're in the airplane. Anywhere they can be a 14 volt, they can be a 28 volt system, but it is one of the required instruments. And again, they're available on Aircraft Spruce. There is one available on eBay right now. One of our customers had it removed from his airplane, and we have it for sale on eBay. It's an almost brand new unit. It's been in the airplane less than 10 hours, and it has the additional lighting indicator. So both harnesses for the power and the lighting are intact. And then here comes some pictures of what the actual unit looks like. So ladies and gentlemen, again, it just bolts into your instrument panel, and there you go. It's an attitude indicator. Again, this is the Castleberry 300 14EL. 14 volts, and it has the lighting option already in it. And again, both harnesses are complete. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. We're not in an avionics business, but every once in a while a piece of equipment does come out of an airplane and it does get put up for sale. And again, this one is on eBay. It's a reserve auction, and it's for the Castleberry 300 attitude indicator. So ladies and gentlemen, hope you don't need one, but it is nice to have for instrument conditions. And again, it is your attitude indicator with the gyro flag and everything. So there you go. And you have a button there for the quick eject, as well as your inclinometers and everything else you need. So again, a 14 volt system, both with wiring and power harnesses all included, again on eBay. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day flying your Grumman.
Where are the dots?